The video you are looking at right now is entirely made with ChatGPT Codex and Remotion. And while generating this, I haven't used any third-party motion graphics tools like After Effects or anything else. This is entirely made with AI. I don't have to learn any additional motion graphic software. I just put my thoughts into a very detailed prompt and I got this beautiful result. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do this, and from starting off the installation all the way to the final result. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to go to this URL nodejs.org/n/downloads, and we have to download Node.js. Node.js is basically a JavaScript based engine, and we need this in order to install Remotion and do any kind of motion graphics. So make sure your OS is selected over here and LTS version is selected, and then you need to just simply download this and done. Now the second thing we want is to download our ChatGPT/Codex app. So for this you need to go to Google and search for download ChatGPT, and the first URL, which is basically chatgpt.com/downloads. Go there and tap on this, macOS or Windows, whatever you want to install respective to your OS, and then it will start downloading. I already have this, so I will close the download. Now that's all for the installation side. Just go ahead with your installation of Node.js and ChatGPT as any typical application installation process. And once this is download, you just need to do the sign in and you will end up at this screen. So this will be your first screen once you sign in with ChatGPT. Okay. Alright, so the next step is to go ahead and tap on this button and create a new project, and then select a existing working directory. So in my scenario, I have this folder called YouTube tutorials, and you can create a new folder if you want, and then open it up, and then you can name it anything. I will just tap on create project, so it will take that folder's name automatically. Okay, so the next step is to install Remotion and its skills. So let's ask install Remotion and its skills, and we have to give it more context. So we will go to remotion.dev, copy the URL, paste it over here, and then we need to go again to our browser and go visit this remotion.dev/docs/ai/skills website, and then paste this URL too. So Codex will go there, retrieve all the information regarding installation, and do a proper installation for us. And then once this is done, create a new empty project for us to work. Okay, and make sure 5.6 Soul is selected as a model, and for effort I choose medium because this is a perfect balance between performance and usage saving. But if you don't have any problem with usage, you can crank it all the way to extra high, which will produce a bit more better results. For me, medium is good, so let's go ahead and send this, and let's wait till it completes its entire process. By the way, I have already selected full access mode from here instead of ask for approval, which is by default, because I don't want ChatGPT to poke me every few seconds for permission and I have to approve it. So in full access mode, all the permission is granted by default. So let's wait. Now let's start with our motion graphics. So let's start with our scene 1. So this video will divide it into 6 scenes. Each scene will have different kind of motion graphic animation, so that you can see the variety of animation AI can do. So let's start with our scene 1, which will be the most detailed, and I have put a lot of effort in making this a very detailed prompt, because the more details you will give and provide to AI, the better result it will give you back. So let's select and send this, and let's wait for the result. Alright, so our first scene is done. Let's see. Perfect. Yeah, this looks amazing. See these thousands of tiny particles rearranging to make these beautiful motion graphics. Perfect. So let's move to our next scene, and let's close this. And this is the prompt, and this is a fairly simple prompt. And let's send this and wait for the next result. Alright, so scene 2 is done. Let's see the results. And yeah, it looks amazing. Let's move to scene number 3. So as you can see, every single scene is a bit different than other. This is the third scene prompt, and this is also very simple. And let's wait for the result. And this is a nice looking bar chart animation, and it looks super cool. So let's move to our scene number 4, and this is the prompt, and this is also a very simple prompt. And let's move forward. Perfect. So our scene number 4 is done. Let's see the result. And yeah, looks beautiful. Now let's move to our scene number 6. We will be quick. So this is a simple prompt, you can see, and let's send this and let's wait. Perfect. So our scene 5 is done too, and let's see the result. And yeah, it looks good. So let's move to our last and final scene, which is scene 6. And let's wait for the end result. Oh, it's done already. Let's see the result. See, this is our scene 6. And it looks good. Now we want to see everything together, so let's ask it to stitch them together. Paste all of things and render a MP4 video. Perfect. So the last all scenes are done and they are joined together, and this is the final result. Oh, look at this. These are so amazing. All these particles jumping around and creating text. This is the second kind of animation, the bar chart animation, the moving shape, the glow animation, and everything else you see. It's super amazing. Now the only limitation is your mind, your creativity. You can put a very good prompt and have very good output from AI. You don't need After Effects or any other third-party tools, and you don't need to learn it to make motion graphics. You need to have everything in your mind, and you can create anything to editing as many times you want and have a very good result at the end. So yeah, that's all for today. You can create anything with Codex and Remotion, and the next part will be with something else.